So the way all of these are set up, it'll say the nature right here, and then we're going to have model of other, model of self. Just to remind you, the model of other is what we experience repeatedly from the other, particularly early on in life. The model of self is how we experience ourselves in relation to the other over and over early in life. Okay, so these are intricately tied together. So direct shaming is easy. I don't mean easy as in easy to deal with. I mean easy as in easy to spot, easier to spot, because it's direct, right? So there's direct shaming. So the other is going to shame with speech, with action. The child is going to be explicitly debased. You're stupid. You're fat. What's wrong with you? You're ugly. You never get anything right. You know, I didn't want you. I mean, I've heard horror stories of things that were said to kids earlier on. You're just another mouth I have to feed. The corresponding model of self is going to know the shame head on. It's like, this isn't a big aha for this person. You're like, oh, so you've got a lot of shame. You go, yeah, I do. They will do one of two things. They will either fight back through a sense of self drawn from other relationships, or they will take it in and accept the shame messages as true. There are people out there who, yeah, they may have had a very shaming parent, but there might have been others in life. Could be a grandparent, a neighbor, a teacher, a sibling, the other parent, who did treat them well, who did reflect that they have worth. And so they're able to somehow fight back against this sense of shame because they draw from these other relationships. There are others, however, who either didn't have those relationships, or those relationships weren't as strong, or for whatever reason, they end up taking in those messages and accepting them as true.